everybody. It's the Emerald Block. So, I will show you how to get free Robux on December. So, hurry. This gift is open on December 7th. So, just follow what I do. Go to catalog and type give. Oh, wait, sorry. One give 2016. Oh, what? 16. Click enter. And wait a minute. Oh, wait, sorry. And click this one gift of 2016. I already got this 50. So, just read the description. Just read the description. Just read this description. This. Just read that. So, read that. And that's it. So, this opens on 7th December 7th. Open to ribbon, social gift for just special gift. Sorry, social gift just for you. And that's it. Thank you and thanks for watching. Goodbye.